The gas burners are on. The room is nice and hot now. We're enjoying ourselves. The smell is beginning to pick up already now. Now, this engine on its own, it has a switch on and off. You switch it on, it runs. When the meat is cooked, you switch off, you loosen up, you take the pole out, you put the meat on the table, you take whatever you want to take, and then if you want to still put some of the meat back, you do that, and then you switch on again, let it run. Now we go back to the same process that I was talking about earlier, that when you want to cook this meat as quickly as possible, faster, you shut the door. I think we're gonna keep the door shut to make sure that the duration of the meat